You can search across the Australian law reports from the homepage using the red search box, the quick find pod, or advanced search forms. You can choose to apply Australian law reports as a post-search filter by first entering your keywords, running the search, and then selecting Australian law reports as a publication filter from inside the search. Clicking the case name will take you to the case-based entry, but selecting the Australian law reports citation will navigate you straight to this content. Alternatively, you can apply Australian law reports as a pre-search filter by selecting it from the publications pod or the drop-down suggestions in the red search box, and then running key terms or citation searches across the publication. Running a citation search from within the publication allows you to see the decision that matches as a first result, and then all subsequent decisions that have mentioned or referred to the search citation. From inside the judgment, you can review and link out to parallel citations presented in hierarchical order. You can also select to download document to download the court-ready PDF, which you can choose to print or download. Review the headnotes to see key arguments and rulings, or scroll down to the endnotes to review and link out to referenced content.